Hey, it's Lynette. Okay, so I'm working with Canva, and one of the questions that I had was, how do we use our brand color as a texture? So here we have a document, and I wanted to put in my texture. So one of my brand colors is this one. I'm going to grab the brand color. I'll edit, and I'm going to grab this green. I like this green color, so I'm going to copy this hex decimal. And then what I will do is go to elements and do a search for texture backgrounds. Okay, I spelled it wrong. So now these are the texture backgrounds that I have, but you can actually go into the filter that's over here. There is these three lines with some circles on it, and that's where you can open that up and you can add in your own brand colors. Here I have add new color, and I'm going to copy or I'm going to paste my brand color, which was the green, and I'm going to apply it. So now what Canva will do is it will go through all of the colors that are similar to what I have. And I kind of like it because either I could use a photo or I can use a graphic. You can even use videos. But I'm going to use this one. And that's kind of like the color that I have. And I'm going to make it into the background. And that's what I got. So that is how you make your brand color texture background. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.